Okay, let's try something different.
Hi, this is Laser IT YouTube with a video tutorial showing you how to stop Windows 10 going to sleep too fast. Okay, we're going to start out by pressing the Windows key or clicking on the icon down the bottom left, going into Settings, and in the top we're going to type in Screensaver and turn Screensaver on or off. Make sure Screensaver is selected as none, and make sure as well this little tick box isn't checked here as well. The other thing we're going to look at is the power settings. So let's click on here. So let's apply these settings and click on change power settings. Okay, in the power settings you can see I've got balance selected, and you can change the plan settings in here. And we want to set the turn off the display to never and put the computer to sleep as never as well. That should solve the problem of the computer going to sleep too fast. If this video did help you, please leave a like, subscribe and a comment.